Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to earn, sign into your Microsoft account, and enable rewards right away. Once done, make Bing your default search so each search adds points automatically. Next, open the rewards page and pick daily sets and short quizzes. These give fast, reliable XP and points. If you use Edge or the Bing mobile app, sync your activity to stack points across devices. Make sure your profile shows the correct region. Region settings affect available offers and redemption options. Once you've started, focus on high-value tasks, complete weekly challenges, take longer quizzes, and finish offer-based activities that pay more points. Use Microsoft Edge and the mobile Bing app together and install the Rewards browser extension to capture bonus points automatically. Rotate between search, quizzes, and shopping offers to avoid daily caps and keep your streak intact. Check the rewards dashboard often to track streaks and level progress, since higher levels increase daily point limits and unlock. When you've accumulated enough points, choose a reward like gift cards, Xbox credits, or charity donations and follow the simple checkout flow. Make sure your account region and payment details match the reward requirements to prevent failed redemptions. If points don't appear, review your rewards activity history and recent searches first. Discrepancies often resolve within 24-48 hours. If not, contact Microsoft Rewards support with screenshots and timestamps. Acting quickly increases the chance of recovery and keeps you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.